Alright guys, so today I found this Fluke multimeter in the scrap, and it's not turning on. I tried to put in the battery, and somebody tried to open it very harshly, so it got broken. And let me show you. I just opened it. They never even opened the screws here, and maybe they, in an attempt to repair it, somebody even broke its main case screw. So we have got quite a challenge here, and I think it will take some hard time. Let me check the camera, and I think it will be quite difficult to repair it. So let's see what's inside and what might be the problem, and if we can repair it. Alright, so here we have it. Let's take it out. It looks very nice and clean, although I don't see any repair attempts on the circuit here anywhere. So what we will do is we will try to measure all the circuits components and see why it's not turning on. Let me show you guys. It's not turning on even if we turn the dial. It's not at off state although, but as you guys can see, I'm turning it, it should turn on. It's not. So what we are going to do is we will measure the voltage inputs and all that, and we might have to open it more. So for that we will turn it apart. On the back side, open it up. This is a very old device, so we have to be careful. Its plastic might got brittle, so we have to be quite careful while working with it. I will keep all the screws and everything here. So we can trace the voltages from our battery. See, so we have 9 volts from the battery, and you can see yeah, I see those 2 wires here. They're coming here, and then from here it is going toward here into this. It seems quite tight, so I don't think there's a contact problem here. I might have to check for the resistors here. All these resistors, if they have continuity. So we'll check for the continuity here. There's something parallel in the circuit. Let's check these inductors. Okay, 7 ohm resistor. Everything seems to be working. Wait a second. Let's bring up the battery first, and then I should work on it. And wait a second. I think this is also loose. Oh, so our clips are broken from here. This side is intact. So what we are going to do is we have to very carefully use this without breaking it. Yeah, I understand. Okay, so we have the LCD out. We will keep it safely. Oh, so we have this Fluke chip. I saw many YouTube videos and they said these Fluke chips there are no information about these chips on the internet. So we have so many wires going all around, and let's see what could be the problem here. You just see all the resistance, the input resistance. Looks like they're all fine, and the circuit looks very clean and new. Let me check this diode real quick. Yep, very fine. Okay. The fuses are fine. Maybe I should remove these fuses. Oh, they are very hardly, maybe I should check this resistor real quick also. Alright, this is fine. Alright, so and here and the other side. There's no such visible fault in this. There's no burn mark or a broken trace or anything. Maybe I should put this fuse back. Yep. In place. Let's remove this one. Then we'll see. So these two wires are going into the circuit, and here, let's see. Oh, wait a second, I spotted something over here. Oh, nice. I see a broken trace here, which is directly from this green wire, which is a negative wire from the battery. And this negative wire, there's a broken trace over here. Oh wow, yeah, it's a broken trace. It's going over there, somewhere under this bridge rectifier. Oh, nice. So there, this. I think I should try to solder this somehow, and then we'll be able to do something about it. Maybe it turns on, and if this chip is dead, this whole meter is, dead. You cannot repair it then. So let's check it. Why don't I just tap it like this and see if we get some kind of something on our screen. Let me put my screen back carefully. Oh, there's a flicker in the screen. Maybe it's because of this connection, broken connection here. It's a burn kind of connection, I'm not sure. Maybe we are able to fix it. Let me just try it again. Okay guys, so I just put a jumper wire here. I just find the continuity of this broken trace from this IC. So what I just did is I soldered that wire over here. Okay. Over here I just soldered that wire because I find that continuity from this point. So since I'm not good in my soldering skills, so this was a bit easier spot to solder. So I soldered this jumper wire from here to this positive point, which was broken from here. So I put it here. So now I'm going to assemble it all back. Meanwhile, what I did is my battery connector was broken previously, so I just put a new one here. Battery here. Oh, we have some kind of display. The display might not be proper because the display is not seated very properly. Yeah. So guys, we finally fixed it. There was a broken trace here, and I bought it for a very less from this scrapyard, and it was already broken. Somebody tried to already repair it, but was not able to figure it out, and we spotted the broken trace over the circuit, so it's fixed. Alright, I will reassemble it and then I will show it in the video again. See, it's detecting my hand also. When I'm touching the circuit from back, it is showing the readings. So it's an amazing repair today. Alright. I will reassemble it and then I'll be back.